Explain i2C 15 pm face cable installation. Face IP, non-disassembly repair flex cable. This flex cable must be activated with the original one first, and route data to the new flex cable before use. It won't work when installed directly. This is a 15 pm phone. We take out the original dot matrix flex cable to activate it and write data. Now let's start folding. After folding it, buckle this flex cable. Now, start installing it on the phone. This is the effect after installation. First step, remove the fixing screws of the earpiece. Remove all these screws. After removing screws, take out the earpiece. This is its earpiece. Then take out the dot matrix cable. Fold it this way. Take out the i2C cable. This is the dot matrix cable. Just snap it on. Okay, snap it on directly. We also need to take out the insulation tape to prevent loosening and short circuits. Okay, this will do. Now let's start the installation. Install the dot matrix cable. During installation, pay attention to this screw post. This is installed. This is the effect after installation. This is an American phone. Remove this antenna. You must remove this antenna. Domestic phones don't have this antenna. Now for the last step, install this earpiece before installing it. First, watch how I do it. This slanted corner through here, okay? It's installed. Here, everyone pay attention. This flex cable, we need to use tweezers like this. Push it with tweezers, and it can be fully installed back. If it's an American phone, don't install it in China. In other countries, need install it. Finally, install this flex cable. Snap it on. In China, this cable needn't be installed. Now, start testing. When testing, press here to test. If it's loose, it won't record. Okay, now let's start testing. Open settings. Start the enrollment. Okay, try unlocking. Unlock is normal.